So today is Saturday, October 5th, and we took the train from Kaohsiung back to Taipei, and we got off the train, put our bags in the hostel, and now we're at Taipei 101, which is one of these, used to be the largest tower in the world until the Dubai Tower was built. And we're going to the observatory where you can see from the top. I think you take an elevator that goes up about 37 seconds to the top, which is pretty awesome. We bought tickets in advance, so we're just going up and doing that. Are you ready, Ben? What does a wind damper do?
Not totally sure.
We're not sure, but we think a wind damper helps the swaying of the building because it's so tall. And up here they have videos of the wind damper like moving during typhoons, kind of like hurricanes and earthquakes.
How are you feeling, Paisley?
I'm tired.
Tell me how you're feeling though.
Grumpy.
Yeah? What do you want to do today?
I want a nap. So it's just after, well, it's about 10 to 3, and we've found this Lin Family Mansion and Garden. So you can actually get tickets to the entrance is 80 Taiwan dollars per person, and it's about like $4 Canadian or something like that. And it's just like a big garden. It's very quiet. There's lots of like old antique homes, and they give you a map and you can like go through and see each part of the mansion and gardens, and it's nice to kind of feel like you're outside of the city for a bit. Hit your head? This is cool. Want to feed the ducks?
Mm-hmm.
You're being a great Instagram boyfriend. I really like this area because it's super quiet. The day is busy, it's Saturday for everyone. They have the day off work and the rest of the city was crazy busy, but this is really relaxing and it's nice to kind of get away from the daily traffic. Oh, come on. Oh. Goodbye. There's like lots of little weird cave things in here. What's the purpose of this? Danger. Keep away from what? Okay, so here in Taipei, we're in one of the night markets. And in Taiwan, it's a must-go-to thing where you have to go to a night market and have dinner there. So night market's about open when sundown comes. So it's October and sundown is around like 5:30, 6 o'clock. And so 6 o'clock is a great time. Good tip, if there's a lineup for the food, that means that it's the best. So you have to try and line up and get whatever they're getting. You can get food, you can get clothes, you can get jewelry, all different things. You can play games, it's good for the kids. It's filled with tourists and locals. It's one of the best things to do in Taiwan. So we hit a few in Taipei and a few in Kaohsiung, and we really recommend it if you're going to Taiwan.
You're gonna eat a lot.
I want a little bit of this, a little bit of that. A little bit, none of that. Oh. Oh.
Like it's almost too hot to eat.
What is it?
Deep fried Oreo. I think. It's too hot.
Good? Ah. Must be good. He's like, never mind, I'm not sharing.
It's really good. We're in the Nanya district night market where you can have a whole bunch of different foods. I got a bunch of different stuff. One of them today though is a very classic deep fried Oreo. Very classic. Really good. It's exactly as you would expect. We got shawarma and
Chicken on a bun.
Chicken on a bun. Well, that's shawarma now.
Yeah.
And xiaolong bao. You can get baozi. You can get anything you want.
We got beef, like beef dice, as they call them.
Yeah, little diced beef cubes that they cook with like a flamethrower.
Favorite part of the Taiwan trip?
I like when the monkeys came up and stole the coffee out of your hands. And then you got so scared that you threw your Egg McMuffin at the monkey. That's gotta be my favorite part.
I think my favorite part was JIUFEN. It was something that I didn't really know about, and I trusted Ben in doing the tour and organizing it, and it blew my mind away that JIUFEN was so big and such a big tourist attraction. Definitely would go back. If Taiwan I would ever go back again, I would do JIUFEN, like the different areas where you can tour and do like the gold mine tours.
Oh, they're soft.
I know. They're gonna be hard. You do 3. One more. Yeah. Good job, Ben. What'd you win?
I got the Spirited Away character.
Spirited Away, JIUFEN character. Good job, Ben.
Thanks, dude.